Good Thursday, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and of course, we are celebrating our great veterans in this country this weekend and into early next week as well. And this is the daily video forecast discussion for a soupy Thursday morning, the 22nd of May, 2014. And it is a soupy morning indeed. We had a line of showers and thunderstorms across the region after 4, 5, 6 o'clock this morning. They're moving offshore now, but there's more showers and thunderstorms on the way. Temperatures this morning at sunrise with lots of fog left over and light winds and variable winds in the area, many calm winds across the region as well. So the dew points are right around saturation with the air temperature, and that's why we have lots of clouds and fog across the region, reducing visibilities this morning. Temperatures are ranging basically anywhere from either side of 60 degrees. Satellite view this morning from the visible satellite shows the rising tufts here of the cumulus clouds. The showers and thunderstorms move and dance around the forecast region this morning, generally heading from west to east. And we can see this on the water vapor imagery as well. Plenty of lifting going on. Drying, a little bit of drying now with negative vorticity advection behind this line, but more showers and thunderstorms are propagating to the south as well. You can see this on the latest radar mosaic this morning. Line of showers and thunderstorms exiting New Jersey. There's been quite a bit of lightning with these storms and some very, very heavy downpours as well. We'll get into that in just a moment. And also areas of showers and thunderstorms racing across Delaware this morning as well. And more showers and thunderstorms are back up to your northwest and also to your southwest as well. Current streams and rivers here, 358 gauges. We have one gauge here, and that's the one at Wanacue. At Wanacue Reservoir, that is near flood stage or approaching the action stage this morning. None of the other gauges in the area are near flood stage. And out of the 78 major gauges here, none are forecasted to be in flood-prone responses through the end of this month. Some of the showers and thunderstorms that raced through the region this morning produced anywhere from a half of an inch to over an inch in just about an hour or so as these heavy downpours moved across the region, and more showers and thunderstorms are on the way. We do not have any we do not have any land or sea watches, warnings, or advisories, but we do have a general risk of thunderstorms to the left of this line here, and also a slight risk of thunderstorms right across the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metro area down through the Delmarva during the next 24 hours. Severe outlook. We have about a 5% chance of wind damage here in this arc from New York City all the way up through the Hudson Valley into Utica and back towards Syracuse, then back towards down through Harrisburg. In this general area in this arc here, about 5% chance of damaging wind gusts and heavy showers and thunderstorms that move through the region. This area here in blue, if I can get this right, 15% damaging winds possible in any of the showers and thunderstorms that populate this region during today. These showers and thunderstorms are exiting the central New Jersey coast into the waters of the New York area off Sandy Hook and Ocean County, New Jersey. This morning they're all heading to the southeast. And we do have some lightning in these storms. We can take off the radar and show you the lightning data. Take off that. We still have quite a bit of lightning being reported in some of these showers and thunderstorms as they propagate to the southeast. Streamline analysis from Google Earth mapping today shows our influx of moisture from off the Atlantic, our warm front kind of stationary still and going to wash out, and our cold front back here towards the Great Lakes into the Ohio Valley. This will be moving in our direction with numerous showers and thunderstorms about the region during today. Latest surface chart from weatherroanoke.com and digital atmosphere software shows the warm front, which is nearly stationary, showers and thunderstorms to the east. This will begin to wash out today with the advancement of this cold front moving through the region during this evening. More showers and thunderstorms once again are on the way. Lots of IFR, MVFR, and LIFR across the terminals this morning. Lots of fog. Should see conditions for the most part bouncing between MVFR and VFR through sunrise, so localized IFR conditions still possible. We do have lots of fog across the region this morning, reducing visibilities to less than a quarter of a mile in some spots. The biggest concern through this entire period will be the potential for thunderstorms. The initial wave now will affect Allentown and Trenton through 12Z. That moves off the coast, which it's doing. Additional thunderstorms could redevelop by midday and last through early this evening. It's going to be a difficult time uh, propagating in the grids where these storms will develop. Still a bit uncertain. However, the latest high-resolution models still show the best surface confluence over the region, and thus the best chances for thunderstorm development east of all of the Taft terminals, except for Millville and Atlantic City. At Millville and Atlantic City, though, low clouds, if they last long enough, could reduce the chances for later thunderstorms. With any storms that develop mid or late day, however, expect visibilities and strong winds to be reduced. Some small hail is still also possible. The cold front expected to push through generally between midnight and about 8 o'clock to midnight tonight, with the front expect to shift to the northwest winds and a lull in the showers and storms. And there is a small risk for patchy haze or fog actually developing after 6 again, but confidence too low to include in the terminal forecast at this time. Friday and Saturday, MVFR or lower and scattered showers, possible isolated thunderstorm activity each afternoon, diurnally driven. Sunday and Monday for your holiday weekend closure here, VFR conditions. 3-kilometer high-resolution rapid refresh model from Penn State's eWall site shows the showers and thunderstorms dancing about the area this morning, then a lull in the action. Could get breaks of sunshine to the west, and that's where the Cape values will increase the convective available potential energy. There'll be some shear with winds veering in the afternoon hours, and that produces pop-up showers and thunderstorms which populate through the area. Again, any of these storms could contain lightning and strong heavy downpours, and also brief strong wind gust down to the surface. Showers and thunderstorms move through the region late this afternoon and this evening as well, and then begin to die out as the trough access and cold front move through the region. NamWRF composite reflectivity forecast from Penn State's eWall site. Once we get the showers and thunderstorms out of the area this morning, we got breaks of sunshine, the Cape values increase, and then pop-up showers and thunderstorms with the cold front moving through the region. Any of these showers and thunderstorms can contain brief heavy downpours, strong downburst winds, and lightning in them, so do be careful being outside today. Most areas will receive less than a quarter of an inch, but higher amounts are possible in any of the showers and thunderstorms. Again, once we saw that this morning, that's again possible in any of these showers and thunderstorms into tonight and tomorrow too. And once the cold front moves through the cold pool aloft, we get instability, broken ceilings, and scattered clouds around the region. Showers and thunderstorms are once again possible both afternoons Friday and Saturday, less so on Saturday, however. And we'll finally begin to clear this out as the trough axis moves further to the east, and we get into a nice pattern with scattered cloud cover and drier conditions by Saturday afternoon, which last directly through Sunday and Monday of your holiday weekend. GFS maps into motion. We'll get to the weekend now. That's the most important thing. We still find some leftover showers around here on Friday afternoon, lessening so on Saturday with the cold pool, but diurnally driven with the heating of the day at the surface, and the cold pool aloft could produce some spotty showers and thunderstorms that most likely will occur to the east of the forecast region as we get through Saturday afternoon. And then most of Saturday afternoon and Sunday is dry. The GFS does show some showers and thunderstorms around the region. We think that most of that will be to the north and east, but still can't rule out the chance. Then high pressure builds in surface and aloft from the Great Lakes to join the high off the east coast. The Bermuda High pumps up warm and humid conditions back into the region with a wind shift back to the west-southwest. And dry conditions on Sunday and Monday with lots of sunshine and temperatures getting back into the mid and upper 70s across the region. My allergies are horrendous, and we haven't even gotten into the allergy forecast, which we'll do in just a moment. There'll be another front approaching from the west on Tuesday, and that could produce more showers and thunderstorms across the region Tuesday afternoon and evening. Temperatures either side of normal through the period, very warm conditions, upper 70s and lower 80s early next week, tampered by the showers and thunderstorms, which could bring temperatures back down again in certain spots. The ridge axis then shifts to the west with a little bit of a troughiness here on Thursday as another cold pool and trough and move through the region, and then drying conditions once again as the heat begins to build across the forecast region for the later part of next week. Very convoluted and active pattern going forward. Forgot to do this. This is for the airport's JFK, 46 minutes to 1 hour length in taxi holds due to weather this morning, and also at Philadelphia. Basically, they have low visibility, departure delays expected to destined to Philadelphia as a result of the fog and low visibilities here. Pollen forecast, medium today, going back up high on Friday and Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Concentration of the pollen grains in the air for Friday will be increasing over today's levels in the high range, and the rise is the result of higher temperatures and lower dew points. And these overall conditions could make it a bit more difficult for those who are allergic to airborne pollen, such as myself and many of the people I know. And today's predominant pollens remain to be oak, mulberry, and of course grasses. So, of course, over the next 48 hours, especially today, you want to be very careful being outside in any of those heavier showers and thunderstorms. There has been a lot of reports of lightning across with these storms, and that will continue to be a problem going forward this afternoon and evening, and again in any shower and thunderstorm activities that populate the area tomorrow afternoon, lessening so by Saturday afternoon. For the latest live feeds and everything on Twitter and Facebook, it's Garden State Weather and gardenstateweather.blogspot.com. I'll be back in video form on Friday morning with your holiday weekend details, honing in on the best days, which right now look to be Sunday and Monday. Have a pleasant Thursday, everyone.